Revolutionize your customer service experience and witness the transformation overnight. Say hello to ChatBot. It's your AI-powered virtual assistant that's here to take your business to the next level. AI ChatBot is basically a digital buddy that chats with you, usually through text. It's powered by AI and can tackle user questions, whip up automated replies, and help out with stuff like customer support or sales. It uses cool tech like natural language processing, NLP, machine learning, and generative AI to get what you're saying and respond in a way that feels pretty human-like. ChatBot's got your back, instantly helping out your customers with AI-generated responses. Plus, you can boost sales by showing offers, reach out to website visitors with product recommendations, and watch engagement and conversions go up. Easily automate chats, handle customer questions right away, and up your sales game without needing human agents. With this super user-friendly all-in-one platform, you can create and launch awesome chatbots. No coding, know-how needed. Why not throw AI chatbot onto your website, live chat, Messenger, or Slack? It can take care of all those support cases for you around the clock, 24/7. Keep your customers engaged and provide human-like support without needing to grow your team. Check out flexible options for creating your all-in-one AI chatbot. With AI Assist, you can train it using your website or other resources to develop a model that reflects your business know-how. Let this smart chatbot handle customer support accurately with the data it gathers. One-click templates are a breeze. They help you get started with ready-made flows for specific chatbot tasks, like recommending products, giving out discounts, or gathering leads. Super handy! With the Visual Builder, you can easily create and tweak your chatbot's flow using a super simple drag-and-drop setup. No coding needed. Just add, move around, and edit blocks to make your chatbot just the way you want it. Mix AI's efficiency with your team's know-how. Let AI handle most of the routine questions, freeing up your crew to give their best to top-tier clients. Get more out of your favorite tools. Boost your AI chatbot with cool new features, workflows, and automation by using easy plug-and-play integrations. Picture this: providing round-the-clock support to your customers while cutting down on operational costs. Companies like yours are already enjoying smoother communication and boosted sales conversions thanks to ChatBot. Don't miss out. Want to shake up how you chat with customers? Click the link below to kick off your free chatbot trial today and see how efficiency turns into success.